Yo my people, what's good? Welcome back to another episode on Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart Part 6. Bro, so the last episode we did was pretty crazy. We did a lot of stuff, we did a lot of things, you know what I mean? And we also like stopped on bugs that we're gonna fight. But I don't see bugs. So I think I must hit this thing again and we're gonna do it over again.
Are you always suspicious that
Yeah.
someone you meet
So yeah, we're
before
gonna
you're
be fighting
nefarious?
bugs now and stuff.
Pretty much everyone I meet does work for
This
Emperor
game?
Nefarious.
Crazy.
Ah,
That's
a
all I'm
fair
gonna say. This
point.
game is crazy. I love it. I love it. This game is crazy. But let's go and let's fight some bugs, bro. Whee! Here we go. Here we go. Bug fight.
Platform. Well, defunct ones. A million percent sure Rift's
Okay, so we got a lot of
here.
boxes here.
Definitely find the bots.
Okay, so who do I team up with? Do I team up with the bugs or do I team up with these bros? Because they wanted to kill me. Hi. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, hold up. You said something? You said something, bro? You said something? Ooh, what? I can't see you. Damn.
See the bot over on that platform on the right.
Here we go.
Past the broken bridge.
There must be
Got
a way
it.
to reach it.
Okay, so we need a day. Okay. What is this though? Okay. Okay. Do I hit that? Oh, which one do I hit? Bro, there's a lot of crystal stuff here in this part. Okay, so we hit this, right? I'm so confused. This is so much to digest. Do that. Okay,
We
we
have
got.
reached the bot platform, but the functional bot is in the intact dimension.
Okay.
Right. I'm missing something.
I just want to see, man, Clank. Calm your robot down. I just wanted to see some. Okay, so we got a rift here. Why do I have a rift? Anyways, let's go here. Maybe we can get the bot from here.
Oh! The crane moved the crystal.
This
Oh.
may bring us one step closer to reaching the bot.
Do I rift? What do I do? There's a rift. I can see a rift. Okay. So obviously I can't reach that, so I have to hit this, I suppose.
Dimensional something or other. Really ruined the safety record.
Engaging charming accent.
Yeehaw! What are y'all doing here? Returning to Chief Engineer with an important message.
Oh, Sam. Always trying to find herself.
Oh, there's stuff on top.
One step closer to figuring out
You
this
quickly
message.
go there.
That's all of them. Thanks. Come back to my survey station. Let's see what the little bots picked up from the other side.
How do I get there? There's Ratatouille stuff there, bro. I wanna get there. I can't. Jump here. Oh, that's why I jumped to get it. Let's get that Ratatouille stuff, bruh. Always exploring these type of games. Also, this one. Here we go. We got 3 Ratatouille. All of that sacrifice just for 3. If it was 10, that would have been better. Just saying. Let's go. Hey. Here we go. Let's run. Why did the thing move? It gave me a mini heart attack, bruh. Because I thought I was supposed to slide on it. You know what I mean? I didn't realize I must be on it. This game, bro. We're already starting the episode off like this. That's nice. Here we go. Go.
Proximity warning. Hazardous life forms detected.
Huh?
Facility security lockdown engaged.
Don't worry.
Hello?
Don't worry. I designed the security system myself. Except that motion trackers are saying they're inside the house. Room.
Yo.
I always forget to look up.
Okay.
What the heck is that thing?
I hate this thing. This thing is in every boss fight, but I swear. This thing is in every boss fight.
From my dimension to yours. Now I'm gonna reduce it to scrap metal.
Ah, man. But this thing must go away, bruh.
When these things keep scratching my mind.
That hurt!
Of course it hurt, bruh. Damn. Let me get health.
Oh dear, we are alarmingly outnumbered here.
I need more health. I need more health. I can't go out like this. Here we go. Oh. Hi. Hi. Now it would be quite nice if Ratchet just came out of nowhere and then we play with him. Pause. But yeah, that would have been better. Give me Mr. Fungi. Here we go. I think Negatron will work. Flip. Let's go. I think Mr. Fungi got him. Let's go, Fungi. Let's go, Fungi.
Thank you, and have a blazing.
Yo, that was tough. I'm not gonna lie. That was tough.
Okay, minor setback. Gonna take a little longer to decode this message. You guys can use the drill. Then we'll take you there.
I need health, bro. I need health. Follow jump.
Hello, are you my new best friend?
Nope.
Sure?
Happy noises. I will take you to our phase quartz extracting drill in the name of friendship.
Okay.
That'd be good.
That dimensional anomaly is identical to the one we saw on Sargasso.
Good. That means you can deal with it.
As your best friend, I must warn
Again,
you that dimensional
puzzles.
integrity could have affected the drill.
What's that mean?
Yo, bruh.
As your best friend, I do not want you to worry, so I will not expound at this time. Instead,
I can't authorize drill usage until the blockage in that tube is cleared.
we should go for karaoke after this. Do you like karaoke, best friend? I will dislike it if you dislike it.
You ready to fix another dimensional mess?
Leave it to me.
This is where I must leave you in body, but never in spirit.
Guys,
Bye, best friend.
that's puzzle
Bye,
time.
Jim. Gonna miss
That's puzzle time. Here we go.
I just saw Ratchet on Savali.
You did? How is he?
Great,
Okay.
but appropriately heroic. But I digress.
Where's my balls, bro? I thought I was gonna have more balls. So we got the love spear speed and the new one is called heavy. Okay.
Your possibilities are waiting for you to guide them to that tournament.
My possibilities cannot pass through with that much wind. Is there some way I
Okay,
can
so they
weigh them
need to run
down?
here. Okay.
Ah, that's a heavy sphere.
Heavy
It will weigh
sphere.
down any object it touches, which sounds rather obvious when you say it out loud.
Oh,
So what
Okay.
is in that book of yours?
this one. That's another
the most
heavy one.
up-to-date collection of knowledge in the universe, as cataloged by my
Okay, so I
father.
need to
And who is
do that.
I believe you know
Okay.
him as the plumber.
He is your father? What is he doing now?
Taking his first vacation ever. So he left me in charge, and I'm trying my best, but
Am I
it's
doing
a lot to
something
live
wrong?
up to even when the universe isn't in danger.
They need to come here.
So, how did you get the title Prophet?
I actually didn't choose the name. It was given to me by the Savali monks after I helped them decipher some of their archives.
What does that mean?
Oh, just a lot of pointing and saying stuff like, that's a Blargian phone book. That's a Kerchu tube.
Okay, so they
That's
need
a
to run
Tentacle
there.
love poem."
Oh wait, I need to stand here. My bad. Okay, so they're standing there now. Okay, so they're going. But these puzzles are crazy. But anyway, here we go. Lovely, we got it.
I have to write this down because that was incredible, Clank.
go.
Only 2 more to go.
Teleport to exit. But I need my balls, bruh. Give me my damn ball. So if I can teleport to exit now, then that means I don't. Okay, I fell. But I wanted to get my ball ho. Wait. What side is it? This side. Let's do this. Here we go. We got 2. Give me this one. No. Isn't there another one? I swear I put another one there. It doesn't look like I can carry 3. So let's go. I just teleported, that's what you saw. Here we go. Part
How
2.
are things going with Rivet?
Well enough. He hacked my brain and saw my memories.
Is that what you kids are doing these days? I'm so out of touch.
It is interesting. For being dimensional counterparts, Ratchet and Rivet have surprising differences. Ratchet never had any wariness of robots when he met me. Yet Rivet does.
Maybe your dimension is the outlier.
Okay.
Maybe all the other Ratchets don't like
Wait.
robots in their dimensions either.
Okay, I need that one, so give me my ball back.
Things are about to get pretty heavy.
Ha ha ha. I'll say what I think. There we go. Okay, so what do I need to do? I need to think what ball to put where. Okay, so let's put the left one here
I hope I'm not interrupting
and the heavy
the
one
process,
there.
but I think there are more spheres left to find.
My possibilities are a visual representation of my mind, trying to understand dimensionality. And the more I
There we
help
go.
them find their way, the more I will understand and be able to fix.
So as you guys can see, we did it. It was all I had. So obviously speed is here and then lift is right there. So now my manages can go, bruh. Oh wait. Is everything in there? There we go. Lovely.
Oh, nice! I never thought to use the sphere like that.
Here we go. Give me my balls, bro. I just want my balls back. That's all. Doesn't look like I can take the heavy spear like I can take the left and speed. So wait, that's it.
Is there anything about Ratchet and Rivet that's
Ooh.
the same?
They are both very quick to take action. Unlike me, I
Yeah.
always get so caught up in the details.
And you wish you were better about that.
Not all the time, but it would be nice to not have to worry so much.
Okay, I need to think about this now. And I think about this, especially this one.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
Here we go. Nope. Here we go. Okay, let's put the left here. Here we go. We
Double
got the
time.
speed.
Ah, Clank! I think I know how to help you with your getting caught up in the details problem. You just gotta be confident.
What do you mean?
If there's one thing I've learned from my father, it's that acting like you know what
Speed is
to do
here.
will get you everywhere in life. That and carrying a plunger.
So Okay. No, 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 no. Not speed, not speed, not speed, not speed. Bruh, that was the most complicated one ever, bruh.
Great job, Clank.
Yo.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. And remember,
Let me get out of here, bruh.
confidence is the key.
Let me get out of here. That was not good. Yo. Okay.
Now we can deal with the clock.
Deal with the what? I'm so disappointed of that puzzle. That was so confusing. I'm not gonna lie. Yo. Oh, that's the clock.
Hydraulic supply restored.
With that fixed, we should now be able to use that elevator.
Time to drill for some phase quartz.
Time to drill. Okay, let's go. Anything up top? Nope. Okay. Now we need to go to phase code. No boxes, man. No boxes there. Oh, dude.
Almost there. Use the drill, get our phase quartz, repair the dimensionator.
In case I do not get another chance to say it, thank you.
Don't get mushy on me now, Bolts. We're not done yet.
Not done yet, bro. Don't get emotional, yo.
Hey, look, the Bro Squad is back.
Okay, we got to fight you. Lovely. This put me through a hell of a puzzle. I want to fight with me. That's crazy. Go. Go. Another one. Another one. Another one. Okay, let's do the normal one.
I cannot help thinking
Here we go.
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blizzard.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this
No, my
dimension.
boxes. Damn, I really wanted my
Jump to the
boxes. Dude.
side.
Oh.
Nowhere to go! Ah!
I swear, I'm doing
I
this.
cannot help thinking
What?
we still
Can
do
I go
not
to my
know what
boxes?
happened to your dimension's
I can't go
Blizzard.
to my boxes,
We
bro.
will
I
soon.
swear, I'm not
Then we can
lying.
stop it from happening in this dimension.
Side. Side.
Ah! Nowhere to go!
Oh, that's what I do. I just hit. Whoa, what's... Oh,
First earthquakes. We thought.
here we go.
Okay, lockdown.
Rift. What is this game, bruh? Here we go. Jump to the side. Which one with the boxes? Here we go. The boxes. Another one. Okay. I don't know where we're going. Okay, now I'm going in circles. My bad. I'm not gonna hit it again. Here we go.
We are fast approaching the main drill.
Ooh, that was fun.
Wow.
That was fun.
It's been my lifelong dream to operate a drill 100 times bigger than me.
That is very specific.
Specific goals are achievable goals.
Pause. Pause. Okay, okay, so we need to drill something. But wait, there's boxes, so we need to get it before we get into a boss fight and stuff like that. Because I can't fight and then my life's not there and I don't have bullets. Not me. So let's get it.
We should locate the crank to operate the drill.
Lombax robot, brilliant news! I decoded the message from beyond. Listen!
Finally. Reception. Listen.
Do not turn on the drill. The rift damaged it.
And we just did it.
Drill destroyed our Blizzard.
What? We just turned it on.
We just did it.
Take cover! Lock! Not engaged! I can try a remote shutdown. Oh, you bad. Jeez!
Stupid freaking drill!
I thought you loved giant machinery.
I've had a change of heart.
Got it. Capitan got it. Here we go. Lovely. Lovely. Get us some ricochet. Get some ricochet. Is there more people? Is there more people? Hi. Hi. Oh, you guys want to play? Do not play with me. Do not play with me. Enforcer. You want to play with me? Do not play with me, bro. Yo, I can't see, bro. Okay, wait. Okay. Here we go. Lovely.
Phase quartz suspended in the drill beam.
I'll knock it out with my hammer.
Ooh, here we go. That was good. That was good.
Oh, you guys.
Another boss
We
fight.
must return to the other dimension quickly.
Okay, so we need to run. Where? This other dimension. This other. They're not showing me where is it. I can't fight these people, bruh. Okay. I'm literally on a chase now. Are they like chasing me? Where do I go? Hello? Do I need to fight them? They telling me return to the other dimension, but I don't know where. Out of my damn way, bro. There. I gotta waste my bullets on them. Flip. Stop the drill, here we go. Flip, where's the drill? Okay. Bruh, this is a lot. This is a lot, bruh. Damn. I almost jumped off. What do we do now? What do we do now? Damn.
Bad news, everybody. I can't shut down the
A
drill.
boon ship.
Forgot to update the tools 4.33.
You're telling me out of everything they got the boon ship? Okay. They got the boon ship.
And have a blazing Blizzard day.
We are not gonna die, blazing or otherwise.
What is your plan?
What is the
That
boon
drop
ship?
It's big and heavy.
And full of fuel. It is perilously close to becoming a bomb.
Or if we crash it into the drill, we could dislodge it and stop the planet from shattering.
Normally I'd say that's against protocol, but this is a free post-apocalypse world we live in, so go for it!
Then, brace for impact.
Okay, I need health now.
It is your best friend, Jim.
But not now, Jim.
I knew that was gonna happen. I knew I needed health, bruh.
Bad news, everybody. I can't shut down the drill. I forgot to update the tools 4.331. Prepare for sweet Blizzard Day!
We are not gonna die, blazing or otherwise.
What is your plan?
That dropship. It's big and heavy.
And full of fuel. It is perilously close to becoming a bomb.
Or if we crash it into the drill, we could dislodge.
Sorry if I'm not speaking. I'm so focused, like, because I can't die
Stop the planet
anymore.
from
You know what I mean?
Normally I'd say that's
Just
against
gonna die,
protocol,
dude.
but this is a
Gonna die.
pre-post-apocalypse world we live in, so go for it!
Then,
Here we go. Whew, let's go. Let's leave this
for
thing.
impact.
Hello, it is your best friend Jim. Please do not die, as I deleted my sad noises suite as soon as we became best friends.
Not now, Jim.
I wish I had a sad noise to play.
Got it. Shut the bomb. Got it. Got it. Let's go. Let's go.
Rivet.
What did that thing shoot?
Oh, no.
Well, maybe it's not as bad as it.
It's
I
bad.
know this is gonna sound totally weird, but the Morts used to tell me legends about someone on Torin 4 called the FIXER. If it's broke, the FIXER will fix it.
Then I suppose we should see if the legends are true.
Oh, lovely.
I can't believe we saved
New
Blizzard.
destination.
How about we fix up this space quartz and save the universe?
Let's go. Let's see who the fixer of the fixer is. And Nefarious is back. Okay.
You hear that? That's the sound of me destroying lies. Dirty, filthy lies. They say this dimension is unstable. We're being sucked into a formless void. Ah, false. Think otherwise? I order you to throw your eyes into the local incinerator because they are clearly malfunctioning. More importantly, the Lombax Vandals have not escaped. How could they if... Ah! I haven't even caught them yet, huh? You morons! Here. You want some truth? My Lombax bounty is now 27 squadrillion parabucks.
Squatillion.
Look at it all.
Isn't that real
So
thing?
big, so real, so totally not made up. And it can all be yours when you catch those stupid Lombaxes.
It seems Dr. Nefarious will stop at nothing to catch us.
We
Yep.
better keep moving.
Okay, so we got Torin next. Then we got Codelian. Yeah, this game is
The FIXER
long.
better be ready to fix some phase quartz.
This game is actually long, bro. I'm loving it so far.
Blast off!
I'm loving it so far. Let's go. Torin IV.
At least this mission will be a straightforward one.
I don't know about your dimension, but out here, things never go according to plan. Improvisation is a skill you learn very fast.
I also have a talent for improvisation.
Well, I can't wait to see you in action.
Imagine we play Clank. One arm.
Let's
One
get some
arm.
phase quartz repaired.
Ooh,
I hope
Jurassic.
the FIXER is as good as the Morts say he is.
Okay.
Yes, I hope
We got
so
Jurassic
too.
now. There we go. Bullets. I didn't mean that.
bridge seems to be
That I mean.
out of commission.
Bet it was a raid. Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits. Or pirates.
Oh wait, can I boost? I can boost with the rivet also. Wait. So we need to go there, but let's go here quickly and see what's here.
Maybe one of the Bullards in town knows where to find it. They're very, knowledgeable about the area.
I hope they are more hospitable than the
Oh.
Bullards in my dimension.
Tiny.
This is a hidden gem, a hidden trophy thingy. Okay, so we gotta collect gold bots to unlock rewards. You found a gold bot, each one grants you access to a unique reward. Okay. Okay, so gold bots, resistance, spy bot. Okay. It doesn't change, so I guess there's just a skin thing, Majiggy. Yeah, we got the Ratatouille stuff. Lovely. Okay, so so that was just like around. Oh, okay, that's nice. Here we go. Whee! Lovely. That was just around the corner side. You know what I mean? Anyway, let's go.
Pardon me. Does anyone here know where we can find the FIXER?
Guess they're being cautious.
Okay. Wait, so let me go here quick. Somebody went in there. Some boxes. Ratatouille. So now we're walking. Why are these people scared of me? Oh, whoa. What you're not gonna do is look at me like that. That's what you're not gonna do.
If I were a fixer, where would I be?
Fixing things, I suspect.
Okay, Spike Battle. I shouldn't even be here. I'm just exploring. Here we go. More bolts.
So cool.
Also, this is the thing with. I was just in my thingamajiggy. Okay. Are we fighting? 5 Ratatouille. Damn. Okay. So that's all. Okay, lovely. So now we can go back. Alright. Zircon.
The Glove of Doom.
Glove of Doom. Okay.
Tiny but vicious, hungry and focused. They will follow you wherever you go. Pull the fire trigger halfway to aim, and fully to deploy your love.
Fancy a shade.
Okay.
Buzz.
Buzz blades.
A death by a million cuts. A buzz blades. This classic but effective tool of destruction sends razor sharp
Ooh, that looks nice.
around the environment.
That looks nice. Damn, that looks nice. I'm not gonna lie. I was bro shouting. But that looks nice. I'm not gonna lie. I like the Glove of Doom and Buzz blades, so I'm gonna save some. I mean, but let's go here.
Upgrade that.
57 Ratatouille. Let's go. Let's do this. Because I feel like I need to do this. That. And here we go. Megatron.
Now that is gonna pack a punch.
Megatron's full, boy. Okay, let's do this. Here we go. But that's also gonna be full, I suppose. Okay. So they leave clouds now.
That gal up for access to more upgrades.
Let's go for our main thingamajiggy that we use. Headshot, do more damage. Lovely. Let's do one more. Max ammo. And the last one that we can do, Shatter Blast. Shatter Bomb. I call it the Shatter Bomb. Let's go. Frost pitch. 1 year. The last two we can use on this thing. One. We got 3 left.
Make sure to tell your
Okay.
friends
Now just we're gonna save on stuff to get the Doom of Blades or something like that, and Buzz Blades. The Buzz Blades look one, not gonna lie.
Tourists, ho! Welcome to the jewel of our galaxy. Please enjoy yourselves. Did you know Molinoth means paradise in Junkish?
Junkies.
Is the Fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, any quartz, anything! But, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Oh, he's a big robot, damn.
Perhaps we could fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molinoth minute. But the path to him was destroyed in the last pirate raid, so you'll need a hurl shot. Oh, and I saw one in the smelting pits further ahead. Lucky you.
Okay. So we are fixing the Fixer.
So,
Can't even fix
after
himself.
this, are you and Ratchet going to the Lombax dimension?
It is possible, but Ratchet is uncertain. Perhaps he is afraid
Wait,
that
afraid? Why afraid?
it is complicated.
Huh. Well, hey, if he doesn't want to go, I will.
Let's go. Come on, do it, babe. Okay. Yo, this shoots much faster now. I'm not gonna lie, this shoots much faster now, bro. Damn. Wait, let me put down my leaf blaster. You know what I mean? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Why are there so many stuff here, bro? Damn, I don't even have bullets.
There are the smelting pits across the canyon.
Wait.
But there is no way to reach it.
I wasted my bullets on them.
Improvise.
Damn, I'm disappointed now.
Watch out!
Whee! Yeet.
Broken rail ahead. Here comes another one.
A smelting pit is a curious place for a hurl shot.
That was
to
nice.
be.
I'm guessing it has something to do with them all getting recalled recently. Something about fractured spines?
Oh dear.
Ooh. Almost. Here we go.
There's a rift.
Okay.
How about that?
We got another one.
Very
Let's go.
impressive.
Out of our way.
That was unpleasant.
Here comes the jump.
Oh dear. This rail system seems exceedingly
Oh my.
dangerous.
Just hang.
I am afraid we may end up.
That was so... Like, there was a lot going on, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Comes the jump.
There was a lot going on. Let's just do the stuff quickly.
Oh dear.
Ooh. Okay.
This rail
Now we jump
system
here.
seems exceedingly dangerous.
I'll jump here.
Hang on.
I'll jump
It goes
here.
straight to the smelting pits.
I am afraid we may end up in a smelting pit.
Please.
That was so close. Yo, that was close, bruh.
Oh no.
Those bruh again. Rusty
Our time
Peak.
has finally come. Let us plunder like mad and go break bad, for the fixer is all but done.
Look here, mateys, this looks useful. In fact, I've a notion that it be crucial.
Seems fate has brought us together again, ma petite rivette.
Guess fate really loves seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Ah! Yoo-hoo! Pirate mateys, attack!
I don't have bullets.
Oh dear.
Shields are tough. Use
Pirates are ready
indirect
for
weaponry.
scrap.
We can't let them get that hurl shot.
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Good idea.
Okay.
Ah, shit.
Indirect weaponry. So in other words, set the bomb.
Cubes. Looks like we're gonna have to get creative.
You know?
I adore the way you fight,
We got it.
but you should have seen the fixer.
Oh, this stuff again.
He broke.
Did you talk him to death or what?
I would love to take the credit, but no. The cause of the fixer's brokenness is a mystery to me. I will enjoy his absence, however.
Shiver me timbers, bro. What is you doing? Super.
That's all of them. Let's get that hurl shot down.
Before we do that, boxes, weapons, flippin' ammo, all of those nice things. Here we go. There's no life for me. But there is a Ratatouille stuff, so we can get those. You know what I mean? So, do that.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Okay, what is this?
We've got the hurl shot. Now we just have to get across that pirate-filled chasm and find the fixer.
Oh!
Ah, my spine!
That was nice!
Pirates and their plundering.
That was nice.
We're pinned down!
Okay, what?
Molotov is mostly junk. What are they hoping to loot here?
We're better to find buried treasure than on a junk planet.
Damn, that's so nice, bruh. That's so nice, I'm not gonna lie. Lovely. Lovely. Wait, where do we go?
Our looting was so boring until you arrived. So merci for livening things up.
Yeah, keep laughing, Pierre.
Okay,
More.
here we go.
How many pirates does Pierre have?
Maybe the fixer will help finish them off.
Here we go. Got it. Got it. Because I need to go down there, but where do I go? Rift? Is there any rift? Like, this looks like a perfect opportunity to rift. Oh hi. You know?
Then again, we seem to be doing pretty well on our own.
I don't know where I'm going, bro. Oh, it is.
Your friendship for meddling is most annoying with it. Why must you always get in my way?
You know?
You ever think you're the one getting in my way?
Ha! I am
Okay, so we got the pirate dogs now. Lovely. All of this stuff is coming together, my bro. Damn. Right, let me go here. There's more boxes. Even during a fight, I look for boxes, bro. That's crazy. Got more health though. We don't need those. We'll save those. Save those out. We do those. Shut the bomb. There we go. It's done. Alright. Lovely. Is there more people? Here we go. Here we go. Got him. Got him. Okay, so that didn't work. Fungi. Fungi, help me. There we go. Got it. There we go.
Are you getting tired, Rivet?
What?
Perhaps you would like a new dance partner.
A new dance partner. There's another boss fight. No. Another boss fight? I knew it from the jump, bruh. I knew it from the jump.